If you're suffering from hand arthritis and you're looking for a super simple exercise that you can do in the comfort of your own home to regain and maintain hand function, I have the perfect solution for you. It's massage using the Flow Orb vibrating and oscillating massage ball, and it's such a pleasure and so simple to use. Let me show you how. Simply turn the ball onto mode 1 and pop it into the crook of your elbow and leave it there for 15 minutes in a very, very relaxed state. You might even want to just rest your arm on a cushion while you do that and grab your favourite cuppa. Once you've done that, flick the ball onto either mode 2 or mode 3, which has a different function, and pop the ball into the cup of your hands like that. If there's a part of your hand that's particularly sore, you may want to just roll the ball around it and give it a little bit extra care and attention. And then once your 15 minutes is up, that's it, you're done. What you'll find is that the pain is dissipated, the stiffness and rigidity in your hand starts to disappear, and your joints start to glide again in the way that they're supposed to. Now, how is that possible? It's because we're working on 4 main things. 1 is we're relaxing you. 2 is we're boosting blood circulation, which is bringing all those essential nutrients and oxygen into your hand to keep it healthy. We're boosting lymphatic flow, and we're also restoring any damaged fascia that's in your hand as well. If you don't have your Flow Orb massage ball yet, it's time to get one. So visit www.risingvibration.com, order yours online today, and we look forward to having you as a customer.